Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video. This should be quite a nice, short, quick one. We're going to be looking at adding a death counter to your stream, an on-screen death counter to your stream using the Stream Deck software and obviously the Stream Deck. So let's get into it. Let's get straight into it. So, an example, I've just got this one set up. I've just downloaded the Skull and Crossbones from off Google. It's simple, a couple of text sources. So if we get this, because what we'll do is we'll nest this scene, and then you can put it wherever you like. So you can make it quite big here and then nest the scene somewhere else. So all we're going to need is then a equal sign or whatever you want to put, and then another text source, call it counter. That's what I've done. And then we're going to go to the Stream Deck software, which is here. First bit we're going to do, because you may or may not have it, is we're going to go to the store side of it and just type in counter. The one we need is this one here, not this one, not that one, not that one at all. This one. Just install it and then just back out of all this. When you have got it, you're just going to search counter and then go stream counter and then just drag that into there. Okay, so the next bit we're going to do, this is just a little bit you have to do so it makes it work, is we're just going to minimize all this and we're going to open up a new folder. So it's just called new folder for now. Counter, we're just going to have it as that. Just name a text file, so new text document, and just call it counter. That's all you need. Just know the location of where this is, and it just makes life so much easier. So we're going to go back into OBS. We're going to go to the text source, the counter one, and then we're going to read from file. So we're going to browse that, click that one, and press OK. So nice and simple, this bit. I know we're going quite quick, but it is so simple. We then open up a Stream Deck software. Select the button you've call this whatever you want, and obviously make the text size whatever you want. With it, you can also, with a short press, you can add when it decides to work. It's gonna, there we go. It's a bit slow at the moment. You can subtract, multiply, or divide. We're just gonna add. So what you could do is you could add. So this one here, I've set it up so it'll do an add a button, add one on. This one we're going to do it as a subtract. We'll do this as a subtract, as just a thing. You can have a long press, so so if you're on the first one, you want to clear it all. So this one, where it's going to be a +1, you can add it in increments of 1. And yeah, there's all prefix names and all this. We don't actually need this. You can play a sound on the press, but again, I'm not going to do that. Again, if it's the death one, you could put a sound that correlates to that. But now we're going to need to find the file name. I've already found the file location here, so it's ready to go. We're going to do yes. So now we've got two buttons there already set up. We're going to call this one, we'll do this one -1. There you go, and we'll call this one as a +1. There you go. So just a little bit further apart. Now, when I click the press +1, it adds one to it. If I do the -1, it takes one off. So you can constantly add these onto your stream. We have got a video, I'll link it in the description, how to do the nested scenes, but simply, so we'll just give you a very quick example. So say I'll do it on my starting soon because there's a bit more stuff there, because all the other stuff isn't at the moment. We're just going to add it into here as an example. Whereas it's seen, we're going to look for death counter. Okay, and it comes up there, and then you can just move it and place it where you like. Okay, and then just change it to different situations. I'm going to take it off there because I don't actually need it. So yeah, hopefully this helps. It's a very, like I say, a very quick video showing you how to do it. I will try and do other ways, and if you haven't got a Stream Deck in the future. So for now, very quick video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.